Hello, it's Devetta. Welcome to Abstract and Flow. So this project is inspired by AB Creative. I covered the 12 by 24 canvas with spray paint. And that is my base coat. I used Color Maxx paint and primer, and it was a matte eggplant. Then I used Rust-Oleum Statin paint and primer, and that's the black. So here I'm trying to decide where to place my pot lid to make the center of the flower. Yes, I am doing a flower painting using initially the spray paint colors. I'm also going around the border with the black because I do not plan on using any paint on the base. And I really like the effect it's giving as some of the black overlaps onto the surface of the canvas. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, making a semicircle, filling it in with the Rust-Oleum black spray paint. So here we are the next day. The base is dried, and I'm using a glue gun to outline my flower petals. I've already started to paint the inside of the petals white. And by doing so, it's going to make my second color more vibrant. And I'm just using a regular angled paintbrush and titanium, I believe it's Amsterdam's titanium white, and trying to carefully outline the inside of the petals. Okay, now that my white has dried, I'm going back in with my colored paint, which is, I did try the colored paint, but it wasn't showing up as vibrant. So that's why I laid the white first, and now the Arteza. Now to add a little contrast to that, using Amsterdam's bronze. Now here, I'm just adding some little lines, and I am intentionally adding a little more paint to my strokes to give it a little depth. Now I'm going in with my third color, Deco Arts Matte Metallics 24 karat gold. And over the bronze, giving it a little bit more shadowing, a little bit more depth to the petal. So after the petals dried, I took my gold paint pen and outlined the petals. And as you can see, it did add a little bit more of a contrast. Now for the my favorite part, I'm going to add a little black paint, which is Artist Loft Flow Acrylics. And I'm going to smooth that out. It's a very thin layer. You don't need much paint. That is not gold in the middle. It's just my light reflection. So it's all solid black paint. I'm going in with some black glitter, and I'm going to cover that area completely. Now I'm going in with my black seed beads, and just to add a little bit more texture to this painting, sporadically adding the beads to the wet paint, which is going to allow them to adhere to that particular area and that area only. And there you have it. My version of a little bit more of a textured 3D type painting.